Make it stop!
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of What Sold on eBay last week. Let's get right into it. First and foremost, we have one of those 64 titles. I've been selling a lot of these 64 cartridges, which is good because you guys remember the video. I picked up a Nintendo 64 and I don't know, like 20 games or something like that for like $160, but I think I got her to come $20 down, so like $140. I poached a couple of the games for my own collection, and I've been selling everything else. Anyway, so our first one here is WCW Mayhem, and unfortunately it's not too good of one, so after fees and shipping we made about $2.24. Next up is another one of those titles, Perfect Dark. Now this one is a little bit better, obviously. This one, after fees and shipping, we put $13 into our pocket. Not too shabby. I'm wondering, I should add up all the stuff from that 64 sale and kind of see where we're at. But here's another one, California Speed. This label was kind of destroyed. The cartridge was kind of nasty. I couldn't clean it up very much. It was kind of a, I don't know, it was, I don't know what happened to this one. It like got dropped in a puddle or something, but just marked it down accordingly, and still got like $4 out of it, so not too bad. $4.47 after fees and shipping. Up next, if you guys remember, this was part of that dollhouse, the Little Tykes dollhouse that I picked up for $40, and it came with a bunch of accessories, actually at the exact same sale that the Nintendo 64 came from. So that was a nice little stop. I think I've sold... What did I sell? Did I sell the table and chairs? No, I sold the car, the little red car thing. And these. I think those are the only two things I've sold out of that lot so far, maybe. But after fees and shipping, we got $16.41. Keep an eye out on these. You might find them in a, just a random bin of toys at a yard sale, and they're a decent little pickup. Especially if you have the baby. That's the one to look out for on this set. If you have the baby, you can sell it individually pretty good, or you can include it with the other family members like this and get a little bit more of a premium. So yeah, $16.41 after fees and shipping. Another Nintendo 64 game from that lot. I actually, I said I poached a few games. I don't even know if that's true anymore. I had the plan to, but I found they make carts now, Nintendo 64 carts that just has a little SD slot on it, and it already has a SD included. On eBay, I think I got it for like $60, $70, and it has every Nintendo 64 title already preloaded on one cartridge that you can just leave in the system, and you don't have to mod the system. It just plays natively right off the cart with native controllers and all that good stuff, so it's pretty crazy. So anyways, I just had to throw that in there. So basically, I don't know if I might keep like a Mario Kart 64, like a Super Mario 64, like some of my favorite games on the 64. But other than that, even then, there's really no point to, because I have it all on that one cartridge. But anyways, after fees and shipping on Rampage 2, we got $17.14. So we're definitely getting up there on our money back for that Nintendo 64 lot. And I have a lot more listed, and I think I might even have some stragglers. Or no, I think I got them all listed now. This Massdrop Sennheiser HD headphones, these were sent to me back in the day as some sort of a sponsorship deal. I opened them, looked at them, maybe did like a social post or a video just showing them, but I legitimately don't think I ever used them because they have the big like amp size cable. I don't even know what you call that, the jack. Yeah, so I sold these guys brand new. There was some other ones listed a little bit higher, but I undercut them because I have absolutely nothing in them, which is nice. So I took home $145 all profit there after fees and shipping, which is good to go. I found this hat in really good condition with the stickers still on the underside and everything, so basically brand new at a yard sale recently, just a few weeks ago, and I think I paid $1 for it. Because that's usually what I pay for hats, or try to pay for hats. And she sold already, after fees and shipping, $12.82. Not bad profit. This, I believe, was a gift from like my dad at one point. Like, we had moved into our new house, and we had like an old thermostat, and he gave us this, and we just ended up never using it. And now we have a Nest, which is pretty nice, and we like it. So I just dumped it on eBay. It's nice having an eBay because those things that you're just like, oh, we got this a long time ago, we never used it or whatever, you can just throw it on eBay and get a little bit of your money back. So, $12.45. Thanks, Dad. ER, this was a bad pickup. It was only the 7th and 8th seasons, and I don't know, but I probably only paid $1 each. I don't even remember at this point. But looking them up, they're really not worth on DVD, especially getting unless you have like all of the seasons or more than 2. So I just put them at a get rid of it price. Luckily, Media Mail helps you a little bit. The shipping label was still $4.35, so basically the same I would have paid first class. But anyways, after fees and shipping, I took home $5. Like I said, I probably got $2 into it, so we profited $3 entire dollars. But ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Look forward to Friday's video. We got some cool stuff in our yard sales videos, so that's going to be a fun one. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching these videos. If you haven't already, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about what you just saw. Hit that like button and make sure you ring that bell already so you don't miss future uploads. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.